Sure, these drawings are for the first building constructed using the RC upright method, built approximately 20 years ago. The drawings are labeled in Japanese and arranged in the following order: summary table, finish schedule, floor plan, roof plan, elevations, sections, detailed sections, door and window schedule, ceiling plan, and structural drawings. As shown in the floor plan, the RC load-bearing walls are arranged in one direction only. If you'd like to examine these drawings in more detail, please see the GitHub URL in the summary section below.